Hey there fellow travelers, welcome to my channel. As you can see here is a Delta Airlines box. So Delta Airlines recently gave me a box full of swag, as you can see here, and you may be wondering what's inside, how did I get one, and how you can get one. Well, in this video I'm going to answer all those questions for you guys, but before I answer those questions, let's see what's in this box. So as you open up the box, you can see the Delta Airlines logo that says "The world is yours, keep climbing." And I'm just going to pull everything here one by one. And the first thing that I'm going to pull is going to be this 3-in-1 wireless charging pad that charges the phone, the AirPods, and the watch. So pretty cool item. Second thing I'm going to pull out are these dark chocolate cookies, as you can see here. Now I'm not sure if Delta Airlines serve these on their flights. I haven't seen them, but I'm curious to try these out. Third thing I'm going to pull out is the Apple AirTag. So these are the tracking devices that you can store in your luggage to locate where they're at all times. I highly recommend one of these if you don't have one. Next thing I'm going to pull out is a luggage cup holder that you can use when traveling to store your drinks. You just place it on top of the handle, and it also has a zipper as well that you could use. So it's a pretty cool item. It also has a Delta branding here as well. Next item is everyone's favorite, the Delta biscoff cookies. I know they serve these on the flights. They're really delicious. I think other airlines also serve them, but I know Delta serves these for sure, and they're really good. So if you've never had one, I highly recommend trying one of these. And there's a few more here in the box. Alright, next thing I'm going to pull out is a special edition Delta Airlines pin that you can see here. The next thing I'm going to pull out is a luggage tag that says "Living the SkyMiles Life." Now, if you don't know what SkyMiles is, it's a points program that Delta uses, similar to United's Mileage Plus and American Airlines A Advantage. So yeah, it says something else in here. Looks like it's a Delta Airlines logo with wings. And the last but not least, the Delta Airlines Stanley Cup. I'll definitely be using one of these. Now that you've seen everything, let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. So now that you see this cool swag here, you may be wondering, how did I get one? So Delta Airlines has been partnering with the American Cancer Society for the last 20 years, and each year they raise money to help and beat cancer. So I made a donation to the American Cancer Society, and I was fortunate enough to be a giveaway winner to receive this swag here that you see. I'm also going to leave the link below to the American Cancer Society if you're interested in making a donation. I would highly recommend it, and it's also for a good cause. Now you may be wondering how you can get one as well. Well, there's 2 steps. The first step is being a SkyMiles member, and the second step is joining the Facebook group called SkyMiles Life. The SkyMiles Life group is run by the Delta marketing team, and they do different giveaways each month, such as the Stanley Cup that you see here, or the book bag, or all kinds of cool different swag that Delta Airlines provides. So that's how you would earn one of these things that you see here. Also, if you guys found this video helpful and useful, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button below. I would really appreciate it, and it would help the channel out as well. Until next time, peace.